Hi everyone. Actually, in previous class we will go for what? Okay. In previous class we will discuss about uh, test change annotations. Okay. Now we will discuss about assertions. Okay. So what is assertions? Why we are using that assertions? Okay. Now check the assertions. So wait. Please wait. I can go for assertions. Okay. These all are not assertions. This is the test change annotations diagram. Okay. So in that, actually in previous class, we not discussed about this diagram. See here. So first before suit to before test to before class to before method to text. Same like reverse order. Okay. Test to after method to after class to after test to after suit. Okay. In reverse order, we can follow this. So in interview, asking these questions. Okay. We will explain like this, draw the diagram and explain to the interviewer. Okay. See this. If test changes take the result as test method, it will not consider happening internally. Test method status will be updated report in everywhere. Disadvantages of controlling statements. We will discuss about this. Okay, we will discuss about this. These two are mainly important. Yeah, these two are mainly important. So why it is important? Now we will discuss here. Okay. So I can create one new class. So class name is what? See here. Here the class name is test title. Okay, TEST I can create like this. There is no main method here also. So I can close window previous methods, previous classes. I can close it here. Okay, only annotations. Okay, here we can write what? Okay, at the rate of test. Okay, so we can import this test. It input like wait. I can write void test title. Okay, see here public void test title. I can write like this. Okay. I can now import here. Okay. See this import test. Okay. In that void title, we can write what? String. String. String equal to, no, sorry, string expected title equal to what? I can write IRCTC home like this. Okay. Same string. Again, I can write another string. String expected title equal to actual title equals what? Same IRCTC what home. Okay. So both names are same or not. Okay. Now we can check this. If we expected results are equal to actual results or not. So in this situation, we can write what if condition. Okay. So I can write if condition here. If okay, expected title. Okay, expected title dot equals what? Actual title. If expert dot equals actual title, we can write what? System dot out dot println test pass. Okay. System dot out dot println. Here we can pass the test. Okay. Test pass here. Okay. Test pass here. Otherwise, it shows what? Test fail. Okay. I can copy this. See here. Else. Okay. So in that we can write test is fail here. Okay. Same. Save the file and run it. See here. Test passed or not? If you expected results, what is the expected results here? IRCTC home is the expected results. It is matched with IRCTC actual results. Okay. So both are matching. That's why test is pass here. Okay. And method is also passed here. So now I can write here capital H. Okay. See this. If expected title is not equal to actual title. So what is the program gives? Okay. Now we can check this. I can save the file and run it here. See, test is fail. So method is failure. Test method gives what? Sorry. Uh, this if condition is working. So it gives what? Fail. But method is give what? passed here. Why method is giving passed here? This is the wrong condition. Again, if you write wrong, so both methods will be displayed what? Failed. But here, this test title will display what? Passed here. Why passed here? So that's why in the test ng, if conditions are not working properly, okay, that is the statement here. See this. If test ng will take the result of the test method, it will not consider what happens internally. Internally, what okay program is running what they don't know actually. That's why it will gives pass here. Okay. So see this test method will start the update in the reports and results and everywhere. See the what is the disadvantages of conditional statements? Internally, conditional statement got failed. Our test method is still pass. Okay. See here, test method is still pass or not? Test method is still passed. Internally method is failed. So here test method is passed. Okay. In these conditions, we can use the assertions topic. Okay. What is the assertions? There are two types of assertions. So assertions are used for validation points. So validation points. If conditions are used in Selenium, in that case, in the test ng we can write assertions. So if you write assertions, this condition will be failed in these situations. Okay. So now I can check this. Okay. So wait, it is working or not. So instead of this if condition, okay, instead of this if methods, we use to overcome these issues. We can write what? Assertions. Okay. These assertions gives what? Accurate results. Assertions give the accurate results. Okay. So if condition is failed, method is here. Condition is what? Failed, but method is passed or not? Okay, method is passed here. That's why we use the test ng assertions. Assertion will make failure of our test ng method. See here. So how to overcome this problem? Assertion is predefined class which contains different types of methods used to overcome this issue. Okay, user assertions overcome this issue. So see here, in this case, assertions will make failure to test the method. Okay, assertions will make failure of our test method, but conditional statements are not make our test method fail. Okay, in these situations, we can write what? Assertions. See this. We can write one single statement. It will pass or not. We can see that. Okay, so I can create one new class here. See, I can save this. I can create one new class. Okay, so class name is what? Test assertions. I can write what? Test assertions. Assertions. Test assertions one. I can create this, and after finish it, I can write same list. I can write same like this. Okay, for here. Okay, same. I can write same like this. See here. Okay, now we can write what? Asset series. Asset dot asset equals to. Say I can write like asset dot asset equal to expected title and actual title. Okay, it is working or not. We can check this. Okay, go for the program. Asset A, SSERT, asset dot asset, asset dot asset equals asset dot asset equals. See this. So first we can give exp title. Second we can give what? Actual title. ACT TITLE. See this. It is working or not? Now we can check this. Okay. Asset will be imported here automatically. Now I can save the file and run it. Okay. Wait. So it shows error something. What? So where is the error here? Okay, there is not another place is not closed here. That's why it shows error. Okay, I can close this. Okay, save the file and again run it. Sorry. Save the file. Okay, first and run it. See here, passed or not? So passed the test.ng file. Okay, why? So both are same. If you write different, okay, I can give capital H here. Both are not matching. See this. In this case, it is passed or failed. Check this. So in this case, see here, failure is 1. Okay. Now we can check here. What is the failure? It is failed. Okay, failed that test.ng condition and test.ng method both are failed. Okay, that's why we can use the assertions. We can use the assertions. It will give the correct result. Okay. So test.ng takes the test method results with the assertions. Along with if conditions, we can use the assertions here. Okay, comparing these two. So comparing these two expected results with actual results. So both are comparing, both are equal. It will comes true. That's why we can pass the condition. So if both are not matching, so what is the condition? Failed here. Okay. If condition is not matched, it will be failed. So now without assertions, if condition is don't use in the test.ng. Okay. So now I will go for another example. So example 2 is what? We can use the assertions along with the conditional statements. Okay. So now I can write the another class test assertions 2. Okay. See here. I can create another class. New class. Test assertions 2. Okay. Assertions. Test assertions 2. I can click finish. So I can write same if statements like this. Okay, I can write same void test conditions. So I can copy this. I can paste it here. Okay, in between I can paste it here. See this. What is the meaning of this? We can use the assertions along with the conditional statements. Okay, we can use the if statements also assertions. It is working or not. Now we can check this. What is the program here? So if expected title equals to actual title, system code. Okay, see this. As at dot as at true is true. As at dot as at true is false. Okay, you can write like this. Assert as at dot assert as at true. Okay, as at dot as at true. Here we can write true. Okay, same condition I can apply for else also. See this. I can apply for here. Same. So as at true is mandatory. FALSE. See here. This is what expected results. This is what actual results. Okay, as that true is expected results and true is the actual results. If expected results are equal to actual results, test case is pass here. So okay, if expected results are not equal to actual results, test case is fail here. Okay, so if both are matching, we can pass this test. Okay, we can pass these test conditions, and the output will be displayed. See here, both are true. This is displayed. This is matching. If both are not matching, this is false. Okay. I can save this and run it. Okay. Test case is passed here. See this. Test pass, condition is passed, and method is also passed here. Okay. If you use the if method, definitely we can write the asset in the in between those methods. Okay. So see here, I can write capital H here. So what is the output will give? Okay. Save the file and run it. Save the file and run it. Here, see this. Test case is fail here. Okay, why means both are not matching. That's why test is fail and condition is also. So condition fail and method is also fail. Okay. So here, if condition is working or not working. If you use the assertion, definitely the if condition is also working. So if you don't use the assertions, it will give fail here. Okay. So save this. So next assertion types. See here, assertion. Two types of assertions are there. First one is hard assertions. So next one is soft assertions. See this, there are two types of assertions here, hard assertions and soft assertions. Okay. So assert equals to, see this. Okay, assert equals to is the assert comparison of two values. Both are equal. It is passed. Okay. Otherwise it is fail. Okay. It will accept all kind of values or not. Okay. See here, first of all, I can write like this. Hard assertions. So now I can write hard assertions. I can create one new class. So class name is what? Hard assertions. Okay. Hard as one. I can click finish. So in that we can write what at the rate of text. Okay. So void, I will give void text. Okay, this is the method. This I can import this one. So import. Okay. Imported after import what? As at equals to see this. As it equals use it for what? Compare between the two values. Both are equal, test is what? Otherwise fail. Okay. So I can write like this. It is passed or not. Now I can check this. As at equals. Okay. I can write for string what? Purna. I can write second string also Purna. Okay. If both strings are matched, so I sorry as that. Okay, if both strings are matching, see here what is the output. Check this and run it. Okay, test case is passed here. Passed. Test change method is passed and condition is also passed. See here. Uh, this string is equal to, okay, both strings are equal or not. Okay. Sorry, I can say. So both strings are equal. The test case is passed here. Okay. It will accept any type of data. Okay, strings or numerics, etc. Okay. So now we can comments on this. We can write another one. Copy. Okay. I can write same like another string. So both strings are not matching. So here we can write what? C H E and D. See this. It is working or not? Save and run it. Okay. See this failure one. So here test case is what? Failed. Okay. So method is failed here. Okay. I can write another one example. Okay. See this. So what is another example? I can write numerical numbers. Okay. Series 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So what is the output? Save. Sorry. Save and run it. So it is passed. Okay, it is passed. Why means 1, 2, 3 is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay. Same we can write different values. Here we can write different values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the test case condition here? It is failed. See this. So here it is failure. Okay. See this failed test engine. Okay. Next, I can see another method. Okay, asset dot not equals to. I can write like this. So I same condition. So I can use what not equal to method. Okay, asset dot not equals to. Okay, save the file and run it. It displays what? See this passed. Why passed? So it is not equal to. Yes, not equal to means both are not equal to. That's why it is passed. Okay. So next. So asset true. It is working or not? Now you can check this. I can copy this and paste this. So here, this is what expected result. This is what actual result. Both are true means the condition is passed here. Okay. See this condition is what passed. So same condition I can write for false. Okay. FALSE, same condition I can for false and save it and run. See here, condition is what? Failure. Okay. So expected results are not equal to actual results. That is, it is the condition is failure. Okay. Same like I can write what as a dot as a true equal to 1 equal to 1. Okay. This condition is passed or not. Now I can check this. This condition also passed. Why passed here? So 1 equal to 1. It is passed or not? Okay. Now I can write 1 equal to 2. Save the file and run it. See this condition is failure. Why means why 1 is not equal to 2. That's why the condition is failure. Okay. At a time, see this. I can write what here. So for each one condition, I will be executed separately. Okay. Not at a time I can execute all conditions. Why means at a time all conditions are not possible to execute. That's why we can write only one statement and okay, we can execute the one statement also. Okay. So finally, I can write another statement assert dot fail. Okay, assert dot fail. Okay, see this. Save and run it. Assert dot fail is there is no use. Okay, it is used for just developer. Okay, fail or not. So this fail. Can use assert dot fail. It shows what fail. So just it is used fail to test. So it is used to just fail the test case only. Okay, there is no use for this statement. Okay, it is used for just developer purpose. Okay. Okay, now I can check the another code for hard decisions. Okay, see here, I can pass this different tests. Okay, and assertions not equals also, and assert to fail also. Okay, these conditions all are working or not. Okay, now I will go for hard assertions. Same like this, system.out.println. Okay, this is very important. And now I will create another class. Hard, 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 AS2. I can create this series in between at the rate of TEST. Okay, test. You can write void TEST test underscore HARD hard A CERTION hard assertions method. Okay, I can input this test file. Oh, okay, right. System.out.println println. This is first test. This is first test. I can write like this, and I can copy. Same, I can write four methods, four tests. Second one, third one, fourth one. Okay. So in between two series, this is what second. This is third. This is fourth. Okay. See this. I can write here one code. What is the code? Assert dot equals to 1 comma 1. Okay. See this. Assert dot assert equal to assert dot assert equal to 1. And this is also can write what 1. 1 comma 1. Okay. Asset is automatically input. Now we can check this. I can write like this. See here. So pass or not? There is no failure here. Why means all are passed. Okay, this is first test, this is second test, this is third test, this is fourth test. See this? The four methods are four conditions are four methods. All are passed here. Okay, all are passed here. Now I can write what 1 comma 2. Okay, see this. Save the file and run it. Okay, here failure, one failure is there. So where the program is failed. See this, first two conditions are passed. So first step and second step is passed. Okay, if asset is not equal to, after that, that statements all are failed. Okay, if the assertion is failed, if the assertion is the two conditions are not equal, if the two conditions are not equal, here the assertion is failed. After failed, the assertion, the after the assertion conditions are failed here. Okay, so if you write these in end of the program, control C, I can write this in end of the program. Okay, now check this, save the file and run it. See this, failure one is there, but four conditions are passed or not. See this. So I can erase this here. I can remove this here. Okay, and save and run it. Save and run it. See this, four methods are displayed. Okay, why means these four methods. Okay, above assertion, the methods are displayed, the statements are displayed. Okay, we can write the assert in second statement. Only first statement will be passed, and after that, the remaining three statements are what failed. Why means the expected results are not equal to actual results. Okay, that's why the condition. This is the hard assertions. Okay. After failing the assertions, remaining statements are also failed. It is not executed. This is the drawback of the hard assertions. Okay. And in this middle of the code, remaining statements are also not executed. Okay. In the middle of code, the remaining statements are also not executed. Okay. So only first step, second step, second test only be executed. And third, fourth are not executed by means expected results are not equal to actual results. This is the condition. So if hard assertions got failed, if you want to execute the statements after the assertions, it is not possible. Okay. So we need to mention the assertion statements is the last statement in the test method. So after statements, write the last, all statements are not executed, but the method is failed here. Okay, if hard assertions is got failed, if you want to execute the statements after the assertions is not possible. See this. Okay. And note, if we need to mention assertion statements in the last statement, okay, see this last statement, the test method, okay, see the output. What is, if you mention last, the four methods will be passed, okay, and after that, there is no methods. That's why assertion is end there, okay. If there is another methods in the after assertion, those methods are all are failed, okay. Thank you.